Hey everyone, it's Stewart here. And in today's video tutorial for beginners, we are going to give you a brief explanation about what each campaign objective entails and what this means for you as a Facebook advertiser that is new to the platform. Now, just before we get going with today's tutorial video, consider subscribing if you are new to the channel, and don't forget to tap that bell icon to receive all the Facebook and Instagram tutorials and tips from this channel. And with that out the way, let's get into it. Thank you once again to Dan Hoff Allo for kindly allowing us to film today's video in their Facebook ad account. If you're a fan of aloe vera products, I highly recommend you check out Dan Hoff Allo. There's a link to it in the description box below. And the best thing is, if you subscribe to their email list today, you can get 10% off your first order. Once again, there's a link to their website in the description box below. Right, so I've just clicked the green create button, and this has now brought up the 6 campaign objectives that we can choose from here in the Meta or Facebook Ads Manager. Number 1 is awareness. Now, if you are new to the Facebook platform and you don't yet know what type of ad copy and what type of images and videos people respond to best, setting up an awareness campaign is great for this. It allows you to reach more people, and it allows you to get some early engagement on your ads that may be useful at a later point. Next, we have the traffic objective, which is ultimately used to send somebody to a particular destination. This could be to a Facebook event, it could be to your website, it could be to a dedicated landing page, or to the Messenger and WhatsApp sections of your business. Number 3 is engagement. Now, engagement is getting people to interact with your ads a little bit more, getting them to send you a message, to like your post, to leave a comment, to share it, to watch a video. It's very useful, particularly if you are wanting to create what is called social proofs. And social proofs are really good because they are able to reinforce that your ads are in fact appearing in front of the right people. Next, we have leads. So, at the heart of it, a lot of businesses are either trying to get more leads or more sales. And with more leads, you are able to create on Facebook lead forms. You can get messenger leads. You can get conversion based leads. So, that may be someone who fills in a form on your website, or you could get calls. We go down next to app promotion. And the main goal that a lot of app promotion has here is getting the app itself installed by users who have smartphones. It's quite a simple, self-explanatory conversion objective. And finally, we have sales. Sales are based on conversions that you have created, whether that is an add to cart, initiate checkout, or purchase goal objective, or it could be catalog sales on your particular Facebook store. And in rarer instances, it may also relate to sales that are generated from Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp automations. So that is a very brief overlook at what the conversion campaign objectives are and whenabouts they are most suitably used. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. Once again, if you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing Facebook and Instagram marketing tutorials and tips. We post new videos every single week. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below, and I'll aim to answer your questions as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.